think the best part of the student field day is the hands-on application that the students get. Rather than just hear about it in a classroom or be told about a career opportunity, they've got to put their hands on it.
Students nowadays, they need to see it. They need to feel it. They need to experience it. And if they're not doing that, they can't get the full effect of what it's like to be an employee of Marathon Petroleum.
The possibilities are almost endless here as far as what you want to do. We're not just gas and oil here, you know, it's cybersecurity, it's environmental, it's chemistry, you can almost be whatever you want.
There's so many people with so many different jobs here that everyone has to do their job for this place to succeed, and it's pretty cool to see.
The thing that surprised me most about my experience at Marathon today was the sheer number of people here willing to help us progress in our careers and just show us other options that are out there.
I discussed my job career with a RN who is currently working for Marathon, and it really just made me realize some things about what I want to do.
My favorite demonstration was the firefighter station because I always thought that I wasn't going to be able to carry that weight all the time, but it actually is really easy, and I always wanted to be a firefighter.
Today I saw a lot of smiles on kids' faces. I saw a lot of interaction at every single booth. It just amazes me how much they want to learn, how many questions they're asking.
Seeing how excited the students are to interact with all the different props and activities that we have for them to give them a better insight on what we do.
They get to go through the slip simulator. They get to see what it means to manage environmental protection. They have the ducks in the pond in that simulation. They have a really cool setup today where they get to work through the simulation of a mini excavator. So I think that hands-on application just brings potential career paths to life for students, more than it would in just a lecture or presentation setting.
And hopefully in the future, they'll be interested in these professions and come work for us. So great win-win opportunity for both our company and the community in which we live.